and welcome to a beautiful but very cold Eastern Cape. This beautiful area is where I was born and raised, and we are just going to show you the area a bit today. We are in between Berkeley East and Rhodes at the moment. We are headed up to Nudia's Neck today to see what birds we can find along the way and show you guys where they might start a national park. So we are very excited as locals. We are super excited that they are going to start a national park in our beautiful area. We have a very unique and a variety of very interesting birds and lots of wildflowers and lots of grass. So yeah, super excited to show you guys the road and enjoy the ride with us. Stay warm. Is it cold, Rikus?
Yeah.
Bye. Rikus, where's the Fortuner?
Well, looking at the state of the road after all the rain, we decided to go with the Jimny. So all four of us are in the Jimny, the car that can actually get us here with some 4x4 if it's needed. Yeah, I think 3-4 days ago it was terrible, but we are here. We're making it work. It's great. So we've arrived in the small village of Rhodes. We've made it all the way through the twisty and windy roads from Berkeley East. Not in the best condition after all the rain, but we've made it. Yeah, and Rhodes is just an amazing place to be. It's a very, very small and quaint village. It's actually a heritage site that needs to be maintained, and to build here is quite restricted, just to maintain the little quirkiness and the historical feeling to the little village. But yeah, but it's an amazing place to be. If you haven't been here, you're missing out. Just to feel the historicness of the place almost, and it feels like you're in a different era. So yeah, so come down, or come up actually, it's not come down, it's come up to Rhodes. Yeah, it's an amazing place to be.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
We are here at a beautiful little river. We just crossed a little bridge. Very cool. Hey, Rikus? What was that? Is it your model?
No, it's I'm getting hot now.
Oh, you're getting a bit hot. Yeah, I've taken off my scarf. It's warming up a little bit. It's about probably 9 o'clock-ish this morning. Really so beautiful. Yeah, we've come in such a unique time. It's middle April at the moment and it's very wet. They've had a lot of rain the last while, so river is very full and it's very wet everywhere, but the trees and so on are starting to get their autumn colors. It's so beautiful at the moment. It's still very green, but with this touch of yellows everywhere.
Yeah, it actually looks photoshopped, to be honest.
It does, but
because it's wet and green and autumn at the same time.
It's so unique. It's beautiful. We are very lucky to have come in this time, but really enjoying the day. Hopefully we get to see some rock jumpers. I think that's our main goal of the day. Wait, I think I've just spotted one. It's a rock jumper! Okay, but on a serious note, I really hope we get to see the rock jumpers. They are quite common in this area, so really hoping for that. But let's go further, Riks. Hopefully we can go up to Nordia's neck now. Hopefully the road isn't too bad.
I must just go wee first.
Okay, bye! So we have just spotted the ground woodpecker and the rock jumper, but they've gone up now. Ricky's still trying to get them. Ricky climbed down a mountain to try and get to them, but they've gone up. It's a bit difficult to photograph them, but the rock jumpers were in the road. Pretty cool. So we just stopped. Maybe we'll get them on the way back, or maybe some more down the road. Did you get the rock jumper, Riks?
No.
It's just there. Just there. Just there on top of the mountain. So we got gifted this awesome little coffee maker from Bialeti, South Africa, and is very cool, and it's got so much personality that Ricky and I thought that we have to name it. So the three names that we can't decide between, the first one is Bruno, the second one is Mr. Bean, and then the third one is Alfonso. We can't decide between those three names, so if you vote for one, please comment it down below. Comment which name you vote for, and then we'll give this little guy a cool name. Fresh water. Alright guys, so I think we are going to end the vlog there or here. It's been actually a very long days driving, but we slow driving I must say, because we did a lot of birding and getting out and stretching legs and so on. Rikki's busy photographing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 crown cranes, which is pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed our lovely little trip here in the Eastern Highlands, my hometown where I grew up, and y'all enjoyed the beautiful scenery and just the beautiful mountains and some birding. Okay, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Bye, Rikki.
Yes.
Are you tired?
I'm walking.
Are you walking now?
I'm not sure how far it is, but I'm walking.
The chimney is nice, but it can get long for people in the little car. Thank you for watching our day in the Eastern Highlands. If we have made a mistake with identifying any birds, please drop us a comment. If you liked this video in this beautiful scenery, please like and subscribe. If you are keen to come check out this stunning area for yourself, and you are interested in a guided photography or birding trip, please feel free to contact my brother Clayton. He studied photography, so his skills are incredible. His birding is insane and he knows the area very well. You can contact him on Instagram or Facebook at Illume Photography. See you in the next vlog. That's Dun, 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 dun.
Zeg eens een paar groetjes en hallo.
Hello.
Bye.